Hello friends, welcome to Testing Treasure. In this video I will tell you how to write the script in the Selenium Webdriver. So here I am taking the example of sign up page of Facebook. Here you can see the web elements like text field, drop down menus, radio buttons and a action button. So firstly go to the Eclipse and create a new Java project. Click on new, click on Java project and enter the name of the project and click on finish. Now create a package and into the name of the package and click on finish. Now make a class and into the name of the class first script and click on public static void main and click on finish. Now right click on the project name, click on property, click on Java build path, click on add external jars and integrate all the jars of the Selenium WebDriver in the project, and also add the jars which are outside the folder and click on OK, click on apply and again click on OK. Now set the property of the driver, so copy the path of the driver, go to the driver, right click on the driver, click on property and copy the path of the driver and paste it here. Now setting the property of the driver, so writing system.setProperty webdriver.gecko.driver and xpath. Now write WebDriver driver is equal to new Firefox driver. Now write a code for opening the URL. So writing here driver.get and enter the URL of the Facebook. So copy the URL of the Facebook and paste it here. Now we have to handle this text field. Right click on this and click on inspect element, and you can see the all the HTML code of the text field you will display here. So we are using the ID for automate the script. So write driver dot find element by dot. Here you can see we can access the elements by class name, CSS selector, ID, link text name, parallel links, tag name, xpath. I am using the ID here, so copy the ID here and dot send keys. So for writing the keys you have to use the send keys and repeat the same thing. Now copy the ID of the surname field and write driver dot find element by ID and copy the ID of the surname text field. Also repeat the same process with the mobile number. Also copy the ID of the mobile number field and write here driver dot find element by ID and copy the ID here. Dot send keys and enter the mobile number. And also for the password field, copy the ID. Driver dot find element by ID, copy the ID of the password field and send keys and enter the password here. Now we have to handle the drop down list. You can see the 3 drop down list here. So for the drop down list we have to write the select. There are 3 drop down lists, so I am writing here sal1 is equal to new select driver dot find element by ID, and again repeat the same process and copy the path of the ID and copy this ID and paste it here and write sal1 dot select by value. Now you can see the value of 1 is 1, so I'm writing the 1 here. It will select the value 1 in the drop down list, and repeating the same process with the month field, writing select sal2 is equal to new select driver dot find element by ID and copy the path of the month ID and paste it here. Sal2 dot select by value and copy the value from there. Here we are using the Feb month, so I am writing the 2 value using select 3 for the year field. Also copy the ID of the year field, which is here, copy it and paste it here. Repeating the same process, L3 dot select by value and copy any value for the year and paste it here. Now for handling the radio box button, also copy the ID of the radio buttons this is the ID of the radio button mail, and for the radio button we use the web element, so right here web element radio btn is equal to driver dot find element by ID and copy the ID of the radio button here and write radio btn dot click for clicking on the radio button. I am using the wait command here because the script will run very fast. So I am using the wait of 4 seconds. So using thread.sleep command, now we have to handle this action button, create an account. Again, copy the ID of the button and write driver.find element by ID and paste the ID here of the button and dot click. Save the program and click on run, and you will see the Facebook page is open and automatically all fields are filled. Here you can see all the values are automatically filled which we execute the code. If you like the video friends, please share it and subscribe the channel. Thank you.